guys, it's Diedra Lawrence from the Lawrence String Academy welcoming you to our next set of violin tutorials. These are all about learning rhythms on the violin, and we can learn them in little baby steps. First the rhythm, then the rhythm with a bow, then the rhythm putting fingers down, and then finally putting fingers and bow together to play these rhythms in our A major scale. So it's going to be a ton of fun. We're going to start just getting to know the rhythms on open strings. And the first rhythm we're going to learn is called Mississippi Stop, Stop. It's got 4 16th notes and 2 8th notes. 4 notes that move faster and 2 notes that move slower. So we're going to do that a couple of times on the A string and then a couple of times on the E string. Why not? Yeah, playing position. Thumb is in place. Pointers at the ready. Other fingers are curled appropriately so it looks really pretty while we do. We don't have fingers looking like this. Nice curly fingers. And we're going to go to the A string. And Mississippi, stop, stop. Mississippi, here we go. Mississippi, stop, stop. Mississippi, stop. 2 more. Mississippi, stop, stop. Mississippi, stop, stop. Love it. Let's go on up to the E string and do the same thing. Ready? And Mississippi, stop, stop. Mississippi, stop, stop. Mississippi, stop, stop. Mississippi, stop, stop. Very good, guys. Our next rhythm is going to be called puppy dog, puppy dog. And we're gonna pluck our A string and E string following that same sort of group of 2 16ths and 1 8th. Puppy dog, puppy dog, puppy dog, here we go. Puppy dog, puppy dog, puppy dog, puppy dog, 2 more. Puppy dog, puppy dog, 2 more. Puppy dog, puppy dog. Very good, guys. Let's go over to the E string, see how that feels. Ready? And puppy dog, 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 puppy dog. Very good, guys. Now we're going to do the reverse of puppy dog. We're going to do 1 8th and 2 16ths. And we call this one Run, Johnny, Run, Johnny, Run, Johnny, here we go. Run, Johnny, 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 Run, Johnny. Very good. E string, here we go. Run, Johnny, 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 run, Johnny. Very good, guys. Yeah, I love it. So now we're going to jump into Dr. Suzuki. And Dr. Suzuki's kind of a weird one, yeah? You play and then you stop, and you play and then you stop. And you play and then you stop, and you play and then you stop. 3 8th notes and then 1 8th note rest. I'm gonna go shh in that 8th note so we remember not to play. You ready? Dr. Suzuki says practice, so here we go. Dr. Suzuki says practice, shh and 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 practice, shh. More. Love it. To the E string. Dr. Suzuki says practice, shh and 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 practice, shh. More. Love it. Next one on the hit parade is called Motorcycle. And everybody loves this one. All of my students, like since the dawn of time, if you ask them, what rhythm do you want to play? Motorcycle. They just love motorcycle. So I'm hoping that you're going to love motorcycle as much as they do. You ready? Motorcycle, 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 here we go. Motorcycle, 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 motorcycle. Bravo. E string and motorcycle, 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 motorcycle. Yeah, I think I might have to agree with them. I think a motorcycle is just fun. It's like you're playing fast, and playing fast kind of never goes out of style. It's always cool. Okay, whew. After all of that, we deserve a little treat. And our treat is chocolate. Chocolate, chocolate. Yeah, those are triplets. As opposed to all those 16th notes from motorcycle, these are triplets now. We're gonna take the beat, divide it into 3 yummy parts. Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. Here we go. Chocolate, 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 chocolate. E string and chocolate, 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 chocolate. Very good, guys. Very, very good. And so your job is to get to know these rhythms. I mean, really know them. I want you to come back to this video and do this every day. And I want you to join me when I say the words out loud. Chocolate, run, Johnny, run, Johnny. Dr. Suzuki says practice and practice. I want you to join me and say all these words with me because they will help you learn your rhythms very quickly. With that said, I'm going to see you guys next class.